We know that indicators are used to detect the presence of acid or base. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salts, sugar and vinegar. Many substances that you encounter in your daily life have different properties. Some of the substances like lemon juice, vinegar, curd, grape, unripe mango, tamarind taste sour. Some taste bitter, some taste sweet and some taste salty. Okay, we know that all citrus fruits are acid. Acids are sour in taste and base are bitter in taste. To detect the presence of acid and base in a given substance, we need an indicator. So there are so many indicators. Some of them are natural indicator, which is called organic indicator, and some are synthetic indicator, which are called inorganic indicators. So natural indicator, the most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens, which is microorganism. Here you can see the picture of lichen. So litmus is obtained from lichen. There are two types of litmus paper, red litmus and blue litmus paper. Okay, when we put any acid solution in this red and blue litmus paper, we will observe that on adding acid solution in red litmus paper, it remains red, and blue litmus paper turns into red color. Okay, on put or adding acid solution in red or blue litmus paper, it turns into red. Red remain red and blue litmus paper turn red. It shows the presence of acid in a given substance. When we put a few drop of base or put any base substance, then red color change into blue and blue remains blue. Okay, in this way we can detect the presence of acid or base substance through a litmus paper. So it is not easily available, litmus paper. So one more natural indicator is turmeric. Turmeric is easily available, so we can test the. You can easily perform these activities. Let's see an activity. Let's see an activity. Turmeric. Take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little water in it and make a paste. Now take a thin one piece of a paper and dip in this solution or apply with a brush on a paper. Apply this turmeric solution on a paper. Okay, and let it dry. Now put a drop of some substance, like take a soap solution, put a few drops or make any design or flower. You will observe that on adding soap solution or with the help of cotton bud, just draw the drawing on this paper, on this turmeric paper, we will observe that it turns into red color. Yellow color convert into red color, because it shows the presence of base in a given substance. Because on adding any base solution, turmeric turns into red color. Okay, it shows the presence of base. When any substance, suppose any acidic substance, lemon or any other acidic substance, to make a drying of from the acidic substance, it turns into yellow turmeric paper, turns into blue color. It shows the presence of acid. Okay, so you can perform the activities. Take a different substance, lemon juice, orange juice or vinegar, milk of magnesia, means ENO you can take here, baking soda, lime water, sugar, common salt. Okay, and you should make a turmeric paper and put a few drop of these substance one by one and observe the change color. If the color, suppose lemon juice change the color of yellow turmeric paper into red, into blue color, it shows the presence of acid. So write acid. So on the basis of color changes, you can easily identify the given substances acidic or basic. Okay. Next natural indicator is China rose. China rose, which is also called hibiscus. It is also a natural indicator. Collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water. Keep the mixture for some time till water become colored, light pink colored. Okay. Use the colored water as an indicator. Okay. Now filter it and put in a this solution in a test tube. Okay. Now use the colored water as an indicator. Few drops of indicator to each of. Now take any acid solution and base solution in different test tube. Solution of China rose turns green in a basic. If the substance is basic, China rose indicator turns the substance into green color. It shows the presence of base. If China rose indicators convert the substance colors into dark pink, then it shows the presence of bright pink or magenta color. Then it shows the presence of acidic solution. That means China rose indicator convert the acid into dark pink color and convert the base into green color. Okay. So in this way you can perform these activities and write your observation here. Take a different samples: shampoo, lemon juice, soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda means vinegar, sugar solution, common salt. Okay, and observe the color changes by adding China rose indicator and write the color changes and detect the presence of acid or base. So we can say that indicators is used to detect the presence of acid and base in a given substance.